This week we're gonna learn a vintage viral dance move. I'm not sure what it's called, but we're just gonna call it the New Kids on the Block dance. So, let's get into it. So, this one's quite easy. When you do this step though, you wanna make sure you fall on the supporting leg. So in this case, the left leg is gonna be the supporting foot, and you're gonna kick out like this. It's not really a kick, it's more of like you're just lifting the leg up and you want it to be straight as possible. So we'll do that again, ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1. Then from here, you're gonna swing this leg in like a pendulum and you're gonna knock the other leg out, okay? So do that again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Then from here, when you bring this leg in, it's almost like you're gonna go into another pendulum swing, but you wanna go step, step, ha. So there's 2 steps in between. I'll show you again. We were over here, we swing it in and we go step, step, ha. Now notice how those little pendulum swings were smaller. If not, they're more footsteps. I'll show you from the beginning. So remember, we gotta fall on the supporting leg. 7 and 1, 2, step, step, ha. And then you repeat the same thing, just the opposite way. 1, 2, step, step, ha. 1, 2, step, step, ha. As I'm doing this, you can hear it. Oh, 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 oh. Now, of course, I'm doing it in its simplest form. When you do it, you want to have a little bit more energy and you want to hop it a bit more like this. 5, 6, 7, and oh, 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 oh. See how I'm adding 2 extra bounces. Hop, 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 step, step, hop, 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 step, step, hop, hop. It's up to you how you want to do it, but that's how the boys from New Kids on the Block did it. So how did you guys go? Did it take you back? It's such a catchy move and everybody knows how to do it. And now you guys know how to do it, so well done. If you like my shirt and you want to purchase this, I got this off Redbubble. And if you want to get 15% off your next purchase at Redbubble, the link's below in the description and it's popping up on your screen right now. Guys, thank you so much. I will catch you at the next Moves in Minutes. See ya.